Carbonado, also known as black diamond, is one of the rarest and most mysterious forms of diamond found on Earth. Unlike transparent diamonds, carbonado has a polycrystalline structure filled with graphite and carbon inclusions. Because of its dark color, it is often confused with fake stones such as black quartz, onyx, or treated diamonds. Here are 20 effective home methods to help you identify a real carbonado black diamond. Hash 1. Visual surface inspection. Real carbonado has a rough, porous, and uneven surface, not smooth or glassy. 2. Natural dull shine. Authentic black diamonds do not reflect light like mirrors. Their shine is metallic or dull. 3. Weight test. Carbonado is heavier than most fake stones of the same size. 4. Scratch resistance test. It can scratch glass or quartz easily, as diamond ranks 10 on the Mohs scale. 5. Heat resistance test. Real carbonado withstands high heat without cracking or discoloration. 6. Water sink test. Drop the stone in water. A real carbonado will sink immediately. 7. Porosity observation. Use a magnifying glass. Real carbonado often shows tiny holes and cavities. 8. Irregular shape. Natural carbonado rarely has perfect crystal shapes. 9. Magnet test. Carbonado may show slight magnetic reaction due to iron inclusions. 10. Transparency. Check carbonado is completely opaque even under strong light. 11. Texture feel test. It feels rough and grainy, not polished or waxy. 12. Fog test. Breathe on it. A real diamond clears fog instantly. 13. Edge sharpness. Edges remain sharp and unrounded, unlike fake stones. 14. UV light test. Some carbonado stones show weak or no fluorescence under UV light. 15. Sound test. When gently tapped against another stone, carbonado produces a metallic clicking sound. 16. Fracture pattern breaks appear uneven and granular, not smooth like glass. 17. Dirt resistance. Real diamonds do not hold dirt easily due to low surface adhesion. 18. Electrical conductivity test. Carbonado conducts electricity better than most fake stones. 19. Comparison test. Compare it with known quartz or onyx. Carbonado looks darker and heavier. 20. Professional confirmation. If most tests are positive, confirm with a gemologist or diamond tester. Conclusion. Identifying a real carbonado black diamond at home requires combining multiple tests, not relying on one method. While home testing is helpful, professional verification is always recommended for high-value stones.